Today's topic is on Toolbox Talk, TBT. A Toolbox Talk is an informal meeting held before starting a task to discuss the work details, associated risks, and control measures. Major contents. Activity details describe the task, related hazards, and safety precautions as per JSA TRA. Safe work procedures outline the procedures to follow. Personal protective equipment (PPE). Mandatory site PPE. Work-specific PPE. Emergency procedures. Emergency contact numbers. Location of assembly points. Emergency response procedures.